Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbud doesn't respond or responds softly to the touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you're tap on the touch controls. Touch area is located right here, so make sure that you tap on it. Now, the second one option, maybe it didn't help you, so just put it to the charging case, close the case, and after that open the charging case, remove your headphones and check, maybe it fixed. And the last option, sometimes it happened, let's open the application. Now click on your headphones here and go to the gesture. Sometimes it happens when you have none on the gesture, so change it for something and check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!